Okay, this is problem 11 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. It is a present value of a lump sum problem. If Quincy can invest at an opportunity cost rate of equal to 12% compounded monthly, what lump sum amount should he invest a day if he has $22,000 to buy a car in 3 years? So we've got monthly compounding, so our come down here, our N, our number of periods, is going to be 3 times 12, that's 36 months. And now we've got to have a monthly rate. So this is equals 0.12. That's my rate divided by 12. So that's 1% per month. The percent key. Like to see a couple zeros there for some reason. So anyway, so I'm going to calculate the PV. The payment is 0, and 22,000 is my future value. So equals PV. So my rate is 1%. The number of periods is 36. The payment is 0. I could type that in as well. I'll go to hit down arrow to get there, and then I can either click on the 22,000 or hit down arrow to get there. I would need to deposit $15,376.35 today to have $22,000 in 3 years, earning 12% compounded monthly.